Once of old, the world was full of wonder and magic. But times change.
I'm a mighty warrior!
Morning, Mom!
Hey, birthday boy.
By the laws of yore, I must dub thee a man today. Kneel before me.
That's okay.
I have a gift from your dad. He just said to give you this when you were both over 16.
No way! It's a wizard staff. Dad was a wizard.
What? Your dad was an accountant.
This spell brings him back. For one whole day, Dad will be back.
What? Back? Like back to life? That's not possible.
It is with this.
I'm gonna meet Dad.
Whoa, feet!
It's getting harder to hold!
Ah, he's just legs. I definitely remember Dad having a top part.
Oh, what did I do? Hi.
We only have 24 hours to bring the rest of him back.
Until then, ta-da!
Oh, that's great. Dad, you look just like I remember.
You got a problem, Shades?
If it's adventure you seek, you've come to the right tavern.
Oh, no. We might be out of gas.
But it says we have a full tank.
No, that doesn't work. Growth spell. We grow the can, and then the gas inside will grow with it. Elbows up.
I'm trying to focus here.
Focus.
It worked! The can is huge! And the van is huge! And you're... Oh no.
Hey, what's up, Internet? We're about to watch our new trailer for our new movie.
Onward.
There you go.
That was kind of British. Did you hear
It
that?
was good. I like that. It was good.
Yeah.
I got 5 out of 10.
I do accents. Have you seen this yet?
No, I haven't seen
I
it
haven't
yet.
seen it either. The following preview has been approved. Okay, to accompany this feature, that's good.
Okay,
we
as
got
long
the
as it was
approval.
approved, then it's all good. It's a Pixar movie. I love
Pixar,
it.
baby.
Times
Oh,
Centaurs.
The world was full of wonder and magic.
yes.
But
This was shot in New Zealand, right?
change.
I'm a mighty warrior.
Morning, Mom. Looks amazing.
Birthday boy.
That's Julia Louis-Dreyfus, ladies and gentlemen. Look at me. Buff. Another buff character.
The gift.
Oh, it looks so
He just said
Our dog is a dragon, by the way.
both over 16.
Oh, no way!
It's a wizard staff. Dad was
Your
it's
dad
so
was
good.
an accountant.
This visitation spell. For one whole day, Dad will be back.
What?
Yes.
Back to life? That's not possible.
It
is possible.
Yes.
I'm gonna meet Dad.
Toy
Love that
Story.
movie.
Love them. What else has Pixar done? The
Love that
Incredibles.
movie. It's getting harder to hold.
Wow, come on.
Oh no. Oh no.
It looks so good. I definitely remember Dad having a top part.
What did I do? They actually modeled my ears. I had an ear cast for this film.
To bring the rest of him back. This is not dissimilar to the van I once lived in.
Ta-da! Wait, for real?
Yeah. Oh, that's great, Dad. Mine had a couch. Like I remember. The quest.
Whoa, what the?
Yeah, the unicorns are testing very well.
You got a problem, Shades?
People are gonna lose their minds.
I'm losing my mind.
Yes. We got car chases. We got Octavia Spencer as the Manticore.
You've come to the right tavern.
Oh no. Onward. Out of gas.
But it says we have. I think this is my favorite bit of the movie.
Doesn't work. Growth spell. We grow the can, and then the gas inside will grow with it. What is it?
Here it comes. Focus.
Elbows up.
Focus here.
Focus. Focus.
It worked! huge.
Wow.
And you're.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I love it.
Tom Holland,
So
Chris
good.
Pratt, Julia Louis-Dreyfus, Octavia Spencer.
Cometh soon.
Can we watch it again?